It's Del Scott, and I am excited to tell you about my new upcoming release, The Undiscovered Jewel, Realizing the Brilliance That Lies Within. It was laid on my spirit to write this book for women of all ages. And I want you, after you read this book, to get the same God-given revelation that was given to me, that you are created in the likeness of a diamond, that you are precious, that you are beautiful, that you are stunning, that you are spectacular. You know, we're in a society where the allure of reality TV and the bright lights of Hollywood can really blind us as women. You know, we play so many different roles. We're mothers, we're entrepreneurs, we're daughters, we're employees, we're wives, and a lot of times we can lose sight of our own individuality. And this book lets you know that you are precious, that you have your own unique color, your own unique carat weight, your own unique clarity, and your own unique cut. So I'm really excited. The book release celebration is going to be on August the 14th in Delaware. So if you're in Delaware or the tri-state area, I would love for you to come out and attend. It's going to be at the Clarion, the Bell Hotel in Newcastle, Delaware. So you definitely want to stay tuned. Definitely connect with me on my social media feeds, at Del Scott on Facebook, the Diva Del on Twitter, and also at the Undiscovered Jewel on Facebook. So stay tuned. I look forward to seeing you at the launch. And remember, you are a precious gem.